Hello there. Welcome to QRTime. I'll show you how to use the QRTime application on your device. Your employees can punch in, keep track of their break time, and punch out from work using QRTime printed ID card. You can use as many devices at as many locations as you like. As an admin, you have the secure password that you use to access the settings in the application. It is the same password that admin uses to log into the website. From the settings, you can see company profile, add or edit resources right from the device. Turn on the capability to take picture to verify the person who is signing in, and enable or disable PIN and break time tracking. You can also set it up to use the front camera or the back camera of the device. We're very confident the application can help you better track your resources.